Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility, your device model, and at least 6 months of payments. Sign into your Samsung account and enroll in the upgrade program, then enable autopay so you meet billing requirements. Once done, request a trade-in estimate and carefully accept the program terms. This locks the pathway to an upgrade. Make sure your carrier unlock status is clear because that affects trade-in value and processing time. Do that now to avoid delays. You now prepare the device for the trade-in itself. Backup and factory reset, remove SIM and cases, and disable Find My Mobile so the system can verify eligibility. Next, select your replacement phone and choose whether to apply trade-in credit instantly or after inspection. Each option affects monthly billing. Once chosen, schedule an in-store drop-off or request a prepaid shipping label. Confirm pickup times and packing instructions to avoid inspection delays and to ensure credit. Finish by tracking the trade-in status and confirming the credit applied to your Samsung account. This will adjust your monthly bill. Activate your new device, restore backups, and verify carrier service and any eSIM settings. If the inspected device is accepted, your upgrade is complete. If a problem arises, review the inspection report, gather photos and proof of condition, and file an appeal within 14 days. This is your key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.